This is the Cup 14049. Let's do this thing. Someone said it was full. We'll just confirm. It looks full to me. Here we go. Yeah, no, it's a very premium product. All right, here we go. To send us home, hopefully very happy. I'm just going to check the bottom card and then the card under that. Okay, we can send both those to the top. Here we go. Rookie Foundations of Tim Stützle for the Ottawa Senators. That's a great start. This is also pretty nice. 8 of 249, rookie class, Alexis Lafreniere. For the Capitals to 249, Alex Ovechkin. 37 249. The captain. Capitals go, oh my God. Alexander Alexiev for the Capitals, 76 of 249. This next card is sicko mode. To 50. Limited logo for the Flames. Matthew Tkachuk. Wow. 18 of 50. That's awesome. Game used memorabilia as well. That is pretty sicko mode. And finally, rookie mantle for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Liam Foudy. Yeah, no, Flames. And that's Robbie. Oh boy, first time luck. And that is that for the Cup 14049.